this is just introduction to poultry farming. Get the hint, know more or less what really happens at a billion tune, at any other poultry farmer. There are different types of breeds. We've got the broilers, which is for meat. We've got the layers, which are those brown ones that lay eggs. And we've got the road runners, which are many different colors that we do at MJS Chickens. Water is very essential, and it has to be clean water. It's better for your chickens to stay 1 day without eating food, but not 1 day without water. 1 day without water, your chickens will die. Water is not only vital for it to keep the body moisturized and all, but it also acts as a cool down mechanism. Yeah, so all these have a purpose. Chicks here, as they're growing, they end up to this. You have to fill up the feed here, food, then they eat from here, from the side. These are called drinkers. Alright? You open like this, put water, close it, then you give the chicken. Water will just fill up to the tip here. Chickens drink. The more they drink, it comes out in equal proportion, okay? This is also a feeder tray for small chicks also. Each chick on its own eating. Eat here. Okay. This is what we call wood shavings, okay? Just hold the bit. Don't eat it. It's okay. This is wood shavings. This is what you use. You can hold. Touch that, pass it down so that don't you guys feel. This is what you put on the ground or on the floor so that your chicks have got comfort and also it's soft and to absorb their litter, okay? Their droppings and everything it absorbs. This is their feed. We've got the starter feed, which is for chicks, and the grower, like from 2 weeks old and above. You see, this one's the big pellets. This one is for baby chicken. This one is for the big chickens, okay? So that they can fit in your tent. You see the difference. Also for baby chicks, because you know a chicken always wants to eat, right? Like to forage. So we use this. All right. So put feed here so the little ones come. But here they only eat for maximum 4 days, from day 1 until day 4. Because at the same time, we don't want them to be doing their droppings here, okay? At MJS Chickens, we've got different chicken breeds. Some lay white eggs, some brown, some blue, some green. Yes, I know you guys are surprised. Here's a green egg here. Can you see? These are called black Astro breed. They're not the broiler ones. These ones are different type.